Hey guys, this is my dissection of a sheep's kidney. So if we start with the outer structures, down here we have what's called the hilus. This is the depression where the renal artery, the renal vein, and the ureter enter and exit the kidney. So if we look a little further, our first hole here is the renal artery my probe is in. This is the branch from the abdominal aorta that supplies the kidney with the oxygenated blood. Right next to it here we have the renal vein. This is where the blood vessels that exit the kidney are carrying filtered, deoxygenated blood back to the inferior vena cava. And then this hole right here is the ureter. And the ureter is the tube that connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. It's been cut off though for dissection purposes. So then the other two external features are the kidney lobes. It's two of them, a right and a left. It consists of a pyramid, which is a portion of the cortex at the pyramid base and a portion of the adjacent renal column. I'll talk more about the pyramids when we actually get inside it, but just note that there are two lobes, a right and a left. If we go inside of it, we have the outermost portion here, which is called the renal cortex on both sides, just the outer region of the kidney. If we move in more, the darker band on both sides is the renal medulla. It's the inner portion of the kidney. Inside the renal medulla, you will find the renal pyramids, which are these structures found between all of these lines here. And the renal pyramid are repeating cone-shaped structures found in the medulla with the base facing the cortex, so the base out here, and the apex facing the hilus, which is down here again. Also, out here we have the calyx, which are cup-like divisions found in the renal medulla. The minor calyces empty into the major calyces, so in each indentation here, this is going to store a minor callus, which will dump into the major callus inside the renal pelvis here. The renal corpuscles are found out in this outermost region. This is where the glomerulus is enclosed with a capsule, and it's where the site of filtration occurs. We have the renal capsule, which is just the outer protection of the kidney. It is composed of dense, irregular connective tissue that protects the kidney and helps it maintain its bean shape. Inside the renal pyramid again, which are these structures, is what's called the renal papilla. It's at the apex of the renal pyramid, so down in here, which is continuous with these minor calyces on each side. Into the renal pelvis, which is this white region on both sides. This is the large cavity that receives the urine from the minor calyces out here. And it's continuous with the ureter, so it will exit down into there. And that is my dissection of the kidney.